Animal made the world. So the old people tell us many stories. So young generation, we are passing what the old people telling us, so we're passing to our children. The old people were a bit upset one day, came and bulldozer through their countries, you see, and so they were sad, saw it in their eyes, you see.
We will say the Lord's Prayer in Anintliagwa. Yiralangwa, Ngungunwa Nyungwa, Abogaya, Angubina Manja, Nangambilya. Yiramamariga Jina Iraja, Yigang Bina Yada, Eningabawia, Nungalangwa Langwa, Nengana Begira. Nungawa, Nungabungawa, Yiralangwa, Yarangwa Yamadalangwa.
Christianity is a positive religion, and we aim to preach Christianity to these people and lead them to a belief in the Lord Jesus.
Old people teach the young people the same laws as the Bible tells us. Like people not to go and steal, people not to go and murder other person. It tells you in the sacred sermon what we got in it. Just walked out from the job because they were thought that their job was hard. So when they walked out, they come and just sit here at the village here, doing nothing, and some of them just start to gamble. First, when we die, they have to sing to guard the spirit where they go. After a little while, when they finish that, they burn all their clothes. They get all his old clothes and burn everything up and smoke the house up, so the house is free.
I wouldn't want to put them away from their old customs. I think some of them are quite good, quite harmless to Christian living, if you like. We've tried not to influence them. Christianity is a positive religion. We've not gone around saying you mustn't do this, you mustn't do that, you mustn't do the other. And we've endeavoured to just simply present Christianity.